A whole new way to organize your fridge is with fridge bins. You know all those little jars and bottles that are always tipping over and making a mess? Well, put them in these durable bins. They stay neat as can be and won't get lost in the back of the fridge anymore. I love them for defrosting meat too because juices end up in the bin, not in the fridge shelf. They're great for cupboard storage too and make small items easy to find. Fridge bins comes in a variety of sizes, so you can finally get your fridge, cupboard, and pantry organized.